Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to switch account in the Facebook Messenger app. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Messenger app on our phone. And on the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll be able to see three horizontal lines. Click on that. And to switch account or switch profile, you just need to click on your name at the top, very first option. Tap on that and it will show all the accounts that you have. So in order to switch it, you just need to click on the account that you want to switch and continue to confirm. And that's it. That's how you switch account in the Facebook Messenger app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!